Scheduling emails in Outlook. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated guide, I'll show you how to schedule an email. Say you want to send an email tomorrow or later, you can do that in Outlook. I'm doing this on a computer, and you'll learn each step. Like these kinds of videos, we have more like this on the channel. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright, let's get started. I'm in my Outlook account. First, click New Email at the top. Our channel has guides if you're new to sending emails. If you need help, check out the video in the card above. So here you'll enter the recipient's email address, the subject line, and below, the email body. I've already entered the email subject and message content. Leandro, how do I schedule this for a day other than today? Guys, this is crucial. Don't click send yet. Instead, click on the little down arrow. Then select schedule to send the email later. Choose the day you want to send this email. So, here it is, folks. It suggests sending tomorrow at 8 a.m. or Sunday morning. I don't want Sunday, so I'll click Custom Time. Now pick the exact day you want to send it. For instance, I'll send it Wednesday the 5th. So here it is, Wednesday, February 5th. You can also set the specific time to send it. It suggests 8, but you can pick any time you prefer. I'll set it for 2 p.m. So here's my email. It's scheduled, just click send. On the chosen date, folks, it'll be sent. Click view below to check the scheduled email. Now just wait and it'll send on the chosen day. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.